Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving straight into how to easily install IPTV on your Apple TV. You've got the device. Now let's maximize its potential by unleashing a world of streaming options through IPTV. First, connect your Apple TV to the internet. Use an Ethernet cable or connect it directly via Wi-Fi settings. Search for the App Store icon on your Apple TV, where our IPTV journey truly begins. Using the search function, look for a recommended IPTV app. Be sure to select one that's highly rated. Now, download and install the IPTV app. Installation is typically quick and straightforward, setting up new pathways. Open the newly installed app and enter your IPTV provider's credentials to access premium content. Notice how channels load effortlessly. You'll soon be navigating through an extensive library of content. Now customize your settings for the best viewing experience, allowing you to smoothly browse through selections. Get it here. https://www.2tv.store/ elevate your content library with simple inclusion, enjoying every moment. You are now set. Enjoy discovering new channels and shows. Subscribe for more tips and enjoy entertainment bliss.